You're probably familiar with the Office ribbon from working with other Microsoft programs like Word or Excel. Projects ribbon tabs are different from those programs, but they're easy to figure out because they focus on major project components. The very first tab is the File tab, and that takes you to the Backstage. That's where you can open and save and otherwise manage your project files. When you want to get back to the full ribbon, click the left pointing arrow. The next tab is the Task tab, and this has task-related commands. For example, you can link tasks together or insert tasks into your project file. The Resource tab has things for resources. You can add resources to your project file or assign them to tasks, and if they're overallocated, you can use leveling to get rid of the overallocation. The Report tab keeps all of your reports in the same place. You can get to graphical reports, whether they're built-in or customized, as well as visual reports. The Project tab has things that are project-wide activities. For example, you can set the project information for your active project, or change the working time for the schedule, or set a baseline. The View tab has all sorts of features related to views. The Task Views and Resource Views section have buttons for selecting different views that you might want to look at. The Data section, you can sort what's in the view, choose the table you want to see, filter the contents, or you can set the timescale. When you're looking at a view, the Format tab will have the commands for formatting that view. In this case, I'm looking at the Gantt chart. So the Format tab has text above it, and it says Gantt Chart Tools. So when I click that, these are all features for formatting the Gantt chart. You can turn on checkboxes to display critical tasks or late tasks. You can display the baseline you want, or you can turn summary tasks on and off. Now let's say that your screen real estate is at a minimum. Maybe you don't want to see the ribbon at all times. Well, in that case, go over to the very right side and click this upward pointing arrow. That collapses the ribbon, so all you see are the tabs. When you want to get to a command, click the tab that you want, and then when you click a command, that will hide the ribbon again. If you want to restore the ribbon so you see it at all times, then you can just click one of the tabs, and when the ribbon displays, go over to the right side and click the push pin. The ribbon also adjusts to fit the size of your window. If I go up to the top right and click the icon to collapse the window into a smaller size, you can see that the ribbon is changed. The Insert section is down to a single button. You can click the down arrow to get to all of the commands. But then if I click the box up at the top right to expand to the full screen, now the Insert section is back to its full width, and you can see each of the individual insert commands. The tabs on the project ribbon display features for things like tasks, resources, reports, projects, and views.